Welcome back, lad, and welcome to another episode of the Bull Room. We have a real good one today. This is your host, MP, and behind the scenes.
Easy.
And we're going to be talking about XRP and what's going to happen in April. And we are still expecting it to hit $1 by the end of this month. You know, we did predict that. But once again, everything we talk about here is not financial advice. Nothing I say here is made for you to take to buy or to listen to me. You know, it's all for entertainment purposes. Do your own due diligence, do your own research. I'm just sharing my research. But yes, I do expect it to hit $1 before the end of March. I do expect it to have a spike. Maybe not, it's not going to go to $1 instead of $1, but I think it's going to hit $1 and then come back down. But we will just have to see. You know, time will tell. But I do have some good articles. But with that being said, dude, how's your account doing on Coinbase?
Good. I'm up. Let's see. I'm up $50.
$50 on a what kind of money investment?
Just under 800.
Okay, so $800 investment got you a $50 return, which is what percentage?
Which is, I can tell you right now, if only we were good at math, 7%.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
Oh, because your average is a little higher.
My average is 59.
50. Okay, not bad.
I'm
at 52.
Really yeah,
so I'm sitting at like a 27% return.
Nice.
Yeah, nice little chunk of change there. So yes, we are in the profit. You know, since our entrance and here on the Bull Room, because I told you guys when I bought, right? I told you guys about XRP when it was at 52 cents. I actually told you when it was lower than my average cost. You know, but once again, you know, I understand if you didn't buy because this is not financial advice. You know, so it's understandable. But let's talk about it, bro. We have a couple articles. Now we have the security dog, the head of security going crazy over here. All right, guys, we're back. We just had a little disturbance. The podcast security dog, the alarm went off. We had someone open the front door, guys. So, but not to worry. You know, she's out there handling business. Probably calling the cops on the trespasser.
Checking credentials.
You know, making sure that no one's here to harm us for our safety.
Yep.
But with that being said, let's get back into it. We have a couple articles, bro. We have one article saying that XRP eyes a 30% April increase if XRP history comes true. So what does this mean? What are they referring to? They were referring to 2017 when it hit its all-time high of like $3.80. Here's a direct quote from it. It says, XRP finds itself poised for two potential scenarios. In the coming months, it could potentially soar to 85 cents or stay steady between 65 cents. So it doesn't look like we have much downside, right? Now that we're in early, if you are in, you know, by doing your own research, because once again, this is not financial advice. We're on the profit, so we should stay in the profit. Right, we should stay steady at there until we hear some good news that will move the market in the case scenario, or we get a interest rate cut. Because as we know, when they cut rates, markets go crazy. So
I don't know. I thought that was only specifically for stocks. I thought crypto would go down.
Crypto's the same thing.
Really?
Yeah, the more they print, the more undervalued the dollar becomes.
Yeah.
Remember, you're comparing cryptocurrencies to the dollar.
Yeah.
Versus the dollar.
I thought it was so I thought when crypto does well, stocks aren't doing too hot, and then when stocks are doing well, crypto kind of slows down.
Yeah, but when it comes to certain things like this, like where it's like they're forcing it, it forces every market.
Everything to go up.
Yeah. Well, gold goes up too.
Gold as well.
The more they print, the more gold goes up, right?
Right. Yeah.
So it's the same thing with Bitcoin.
Okay.
And other cryptocurrencies. But that's crazy to think, right? That you're in the profit. You're sitting on a good chunk of change probably if you have a good amount in there. Hey, I don't mind staying steady. But I do have some limit orders that, you know, full disclosure, 90 cents. Because if it does hit $1 and it comes right back down, I'd like to sell and buy more. You know, make that little flip. But let's go to the next article I have here. XRP attracts a massive $1.2 million inflow when Bitcoin was going down. So when Bitcoin was seeing some outflows, XRP was seeing some inflows. And here's a direct quote that says XRP gained a massive 1.2 million in inflow, a move that literally went hand in hand with the Bitcoin's outflows. So are people moving from Bitcoin to XRP because of the potential new settlement? Who knows? We shall see. And then another one, top analyst notes emerging of a distant W wave. What is a W wave? It's pretty much the price going down, up, down, and then it's going back up. He's saying that this pattern goes with the 2017 pre-bull rally phase before its all-time high. It is the same thing going on that happened in 2017. Saying here, same thing as a 30% increase in April. He's saying though that we'll see $1.20 in the short term, but in the high end, and $1 in the short term, like more kind of guaranteed. He feels more safer on that prediction. So we should see $1 anywhere from now to the Bitcoin halving.
Okay. And when the Bitcoin halving is actually coming up pretty soon, right?
Yes, next month.
Next month, okay. So then coming into that, what about, because I know we talked about heavily, what's the other coin that you hold a good amount of?
Oh, Cardano.
Cardano, yes.
Yeah.
So I moved out of Cardano, moved everything into XRP because I don't really have that much anyway.
Yeah.
So,
but you profited, right?
Off Cardano, no, I lost a little bit.
Oh, you should have just kept it.
I should have, but I didn't. I kind of want to.
You wanted to do more of the XRP.
I'd rather have XRP roll it into Cardano with the profit.
after the pop.
I'd rather do that.
Okay.
Yeah. So what about Cardano? Is there going to be anything else?
I think
in the next few months?
when the market moves, bro, it's kind of like they all move.
Yeah, because I think Cardano is cheaper. Am I correct, or is it?
It kind of switched. It was actually higher in price.
Well,
but more recently, it kind of switched, and I think it switched back. They switch, bro. Like there's times where XRP, like when if XRP does get to $1, Cardano might only get 80 cents.
So it's at 60. It's at 67 cents. So it's about the same.
Yeah, it's about the same. But you got to remember that happens for a short time before one of them has massive news.
Right, which would most likely be XRP.
XRP first, okay. Exactly.
And then Cardano will go down.
Will not go down. It'll probably stay steady.
Okay.
Because you got to remember when an altcoin has news relating to itself,
the
altcoin is the one that outperforms, not the whole market. The whole market only outperforms when Bitcoin outperforms because Bitcoin is the one that moves the market.
Yeah, Cardano, I'm looking at it right now. It looks like it does about the same as XRP. I mean, its high was $3.10.
Yeah, but that was a whole cycle after. A high of $3, bro, was only in 2021.
Oh, okay. So it was soon. It was actually pretty recent.
It was recent.
Oh, okay.
So they're pretty much a cycle behind. So technically, the only reason why XRP didn't go up in 2021, bro, was because they got smacked with that SEC lawsuit. That's now ending. That's now finally ending.
Okay.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So imagine if they didn't have that. They would have probably hit like a $5 all-time high.
Price tag already. That makes sense.
Yeah. So that's why they're saying like this one might be massive because if they were supposed to hit $5-6 last time, they're gonna hit the new one now. Like that still counts.
Yeah.
But they're gonna hit a new one of like $10.
That volume coming is gonna be crazy.
Supposedly. But I mean, think about it, bro. If you do hear a case settlement news, like people are gonna want to hop in.
Yeah.
The FOMO is gonna be real.
FOMO is gonna be real. Yeah.
You know how it is, bro. We had FOMO, I think, the first time, like your first experience. I feel like the majority of people's first time experience in crypto is because of FOMO.
Yeah.
And then they get like this, it's a scam ideology, and then they typically don't go back until they get FOMO.
FOMO again.
And then
everybody's getting money.
They literally just go on these cycles of losing money and never learning, or they just never go back.
Yeah.
When in reality, bro, it's probably the easiest thing in this day and age to get rich.
Yeah. The key,
for a young person that could have the risk tolerance, that doesn't have kids, that doesn't have much responsibilities other than themselves, it is a risk I think every young person should take.
Especially if you're young.
Mm-hmm.
You can always regain those gains, or losses, whatever.
Well, I mean, I haven't told my story, but when they hear about my story, I think they'll be like, damn, he went through it.
Yeah.
Right. Remember you? I mean, you know.
I know a little bit about it.
Yeah. So, you know, at the end of the day, we're here to make $1 million. Try to get our accounts to $1 million. I pretty much, bro. I put my money where my mouth is.
Yeah.
If I talk about XRP, it's because I'm buying XRP. Full disclosure.
Yeah.
But once again, not financial advice, guys. But this is the end of the podcast. I just hope you guys are finding you know, the Bull Room interesting. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, tell a friend. So pay the fee, okay, guys? With that being said, stay dedicated, stay motivated. All money in, no money out, and we'll see you on the next one, Atlanta Wealth Club.